Good Sunday, everyone. Our weather map today continues to show high pressure in control, which is going to give us mostly sunny skies. And again, another day of lower humidity. It's not as bad as it could be this time of the year. It's going to be a little bit more humid than it was yesterday, though. But we're still on the north side of that stationary boundary. So we're still in a little bit of a drier air mass. So not too bad for your Sunday. But now, if you look to our west, Hurricane Hillary steals the show. Look at all that flash flood potential stretching up across the western U.S. That's that red shaded region you see there. And then the yellow shaded region is the severe weather risk. They even have a risk for tornadoes today across Southern California and western Arizona. So very strong winds in the mountains. I saw this morning where they're still expecting wind gusts over 80 miles an hour. Some places are already seeing winds approaching 60 miles an hour in the mountainous regions. Already having some issues with some flooding, and it's just began. So a rough Sunday for those folks. Looking at our 5-day forecast, the only thing rough about our forecast is the heat. If you don't like heat and humidity, you're not going to be a fan of this coming week. But again, today, highs in the upper 80s, mostly sunny and hot. Be safe in the heat if you're out doing something today. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, highs at least of 90 degrees. And I'm probably a little low on that, especially on Tuesday, Wednesday. We may be getting up into the low 90s. So, and humidity's ticking back up. So be safe if you're out and about, and just use your common sense with the heat. Drink lots of water, stay in the shade, and of course definitely limit alcohol consumption, because that just makes things worse. On this day in 1886, the town of Indianola, Texas was completely destroyed by a hurricane and never rebuilt. In 1975, Viking 1 was launched by a Titan Centaur rocket from Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral at 5:22 Eastern Daylight Time to begin a 500 million mile, 11-month journey through space to explore Mars. The 4-ton spacecraft went into orbit around the red planet in mid-1976. So we've been exploring things for a while, and in a very sophisticated way, for sure. Well, you folks have a wonderful Sunday, and keep looking up for more weather information, including an even deeper look at the tropics. We still have a very active Atlantic ahead of us. Could have a system developing in the Gulf by Tuesday as it moves toward Texas and Louisiana. And then there's other systems out there to watch too. I've got those all mentioned in the blog if you want to check that out at meteorologistsmart.com.